No, everybody, we're interested to know your opponent. But we are not and we say, you call away first. The opponents also they were experienced in the competition. So every team normally last season, confederation of group stage, it's not a bad side at all. Talking about good or bad side, in the African continent, we have a lot of good teams. There are a lot of good teams. So where they are coming from, is not a problem. The quality they have in their squad, that's what we have to think about right now. So we also prepare and make sure that we go there and play very well to get ourselves ahead of whatever challenges are we face. There is no way Kotoko is going to underrate any team, knowing where we are coming from. Team these 100 years or these 60 years. That is not the issue. What they can bring on board right now is very, very important. So we have to think about underrate them. They are a good side, and African football has come of age. We are born homody, and because a team they can match Kotoko our history. Yes, we have that rich history, but we all know where we are today as a club. We have to, from today onwards, make sure competition we going right through to wherever we can think of getting the team to. The ultimate is our goal, and nothing less. We may have ourselves to be blamed. So we make sure we put every measures in place. Everything here, Amaya call at me a clear form so I call the next stage of the competition. We first, which for me is okay. I mean, they been a couple of league matches and some Mauritania. So it's good for us. You call Konya good score line. We have to make sure Bahas will be a good score line. Because like I said, in the continent, football is very popular and we are swimming. But we make sure in your advantage now, we capitalize on it and make sure we will take advantage now. They know us. I'm very sure they know us very well. I'm not sure maybe Kotoko is a big team, and as Kotoko has experience on the continent, I don't put any fear in them. But we have to go out there and tell them, here we are, we have come to stay this time around. We will not be letting loose. And as lose that, we put everything into this competition and make sure because of late more money can go my idea, but we also want to put the team on another level. Asante we won't be participants. We'll go there and make impact. Talking about the team now funny well wishes videos now for us and wow, it's interesting, but we have done a lot. Draw no buy, and up till today we have gone too far. We know the team, and I think they also know us, but we also know them now. So we just wait and see what will happen. Al Hilal and Vipers, me, I will not even want to go there now. What is confronting me right now is what I'm thinking about. We all know maybe, yes maybe Al Hilal can go through her. But I know the fire. You see the way you need to say and I also say your opponent to me I eliminate them. They are what happens between Vipers and Al Hilal there? It's none of our business. We want to go as far as we can, even to the finals, if that is what opportunity we will go. We want to make an impact. By saying that we just started. we don't know where and how this thing will end, but we are also aiming high. We know it's a new team we've built, and going forward, you know, I think a new team, you need a couple of, you know, competitions and tournaments to make your side a great one. But we are telling ourselves right now, say, we be able to miss our ball. Okay, you start here, because we may have 2 years, we may have 3 years, but then no, we have to do well. That one I support, or I agree with anybody that thinks the team must do well. And I also believe and agree that we need to do well, and that is our mission right now. The corner opportunity, no, I believe now everything here from Aqua, so be it. And for now, the even can say be here 3-4 years and so. Say yes, of course we know say attempting in Africa, no, and yet easy, sir. But then no first one no corner yeah there. And my experience be very. Emma who said no next time no say me a mistake or have me a mistake or until next time I say me take these decisions. Now the ball her game you say your pass will say any say. The here say you attempted the first one. And when we say group, you know, it's a new group. It be your experience, it be your national experience. But in the team is new, so we just have to wait and see what will happen. But we have the belief and trust in the boys to say they can take us far. Playing an international friendly now, here now a choir mamu because we share calendar now. Aboboso, a starting league. We can't stop the league and play any international friendly. League matches now. Never has today are improving match after match near playing.